it's Hui here, and in this video you will learn how to set up discount code for new customers. Okay, meaning to say that they have actually signed up an account with you, but then they haven't purchased anything from you. So how can we actually set up a discount code and actually deliver it to them so that they can actually use it for their next purchase? Once you've logged in into your EasyStore account, you can click on promotions, discounts, and add discount. And here are all the available preset discount templates you can choose from. Okay, there are up to 10 discount tools that you can select that you would like to create. And today we are going with this 10% off with minimum purchase. So I'll click into it, and this is where you can kickstart your settings. First thing first, please give your voucher or your discount a title, because this title will be visible to your customers, so make sure to give it a nice name. So here we'll give it a very straightforward, which is 10% off minimum 2 items purchase. So purchase requirement, there are two types of setting as well, whether if you would like to give a minimum or every specific item to be entitled for the discount, and whether if it's applied for all products, specific items or specific collection. And coming soon in beta version, we have order total quantity. Head down to discount value, where this promotion actually can be applied on either product based or order subtotal. Okay, but then we are looking into a general setting, which is for order subtotal, and customers will be getting it as a discount, right? A 10% discount. But then it's not just limit to percentage, it can be by either fixed amount as well. Okay, so since we are going with percentage, please make sure you select the right one. If by percentage, select by percentage and input the right amount. Okay, so 10%. Coming to discount method, there are two settings from here as well. There is automatic discount and discount code. So automatic discount is referring to when customers successfully triggered the setting, meaning to say that if Hui have 2 products inside the cart, okay, system will automatically deduct the 10%. And since we are going into discount code generate, okay, so we will go into discount code, and you can either set your own code or you want to generate code. Okay, so when I click generate code, system will actually generate a random code for me. Or let's say if you prefer to have a very specific one, okay, for example, December 2024. Okay, you click add. Then you will see these are the available discount code for customers to redeem. If you wanted to add new ones, it's applicable, or if you feel like this is too general, you can actually remove it as well. Okay, and coming down to the discount usage, customers eligibility, we have up to 5 settings, whether if you want it to be open to public, only login customers, specific customers group, or dedicated customers only. Or let's say if you're running, membership tiers where you have platinum, gold, or silver, and only the highest tiers are entitled for this, definitely you can set it. Okay, so these are the membership tiers that you have actually set into the system. So for example, if it's on highest tier, platinum. Okay, so meaning to say that this discount is only applicable for platinum members. But then today we will go for all login members. Okay, so what are the difference between store usage and each customer usage? Okay, so for example, if you are running or newly launching the store, okay, so maybe you want to create some sort of urgency, limited times. For example, only first 100 customers are entitled for this 10% off. Okay, then you can select limited times 100. Meanwhile, for each customer usage is referring to, for example, Hui is your customers. Okay, so if you are putting unlimited, meaning to say that Hui can use the voucher code repeatedly. But then let's say if you wish to limit usage, okay, for example, Hui can only use 2 times, for example, right? So you can actually put 2. So once here are done, you can scroll back up, and let's say if you wish to set a start time and end time for this discount, you can do so. So untick it and you can select. For example, if you want it to be launched tomorrow, set OK, and then you want it to end on 31st of December, you can set it as well. But then if you want it to be flexible and usable anytime, you just click back no end date. Okay, and double check on the summary as well before you click save to be fully ensured that, okay, this is what I want to set for this particular discount. Okay, so here we can summarize is purchase from all items, minimum of 2 purchase, then you'll be getting this 10% discount. So it's applicable for all login customers, and each customers can use up to 2 times only. Okay, so a very direct summary. So once all good to go, you can click save. So from here, you can actually see a short summary of the discount as well when you click on it. Okay, so what's next? So you can actually copy the code here. For example, this one. Okay, let me copy this. Okay, one moment. Or maybe we go with the December 2024, easier to remember, right? So where you can actually input or embed the voucher code, you can go to settings, templates. So here are the email templates that we generate, and it is flexible for you to amend. Okay, so you can scroll down to the customers part where you see customer account welcome. So meaning to say that our system will actually send this email automatically to the customers when account activated is successful. Okay, so here for example, you can put redeem, maybe we give some extra space. Okay, redeem DEC 2024 to get 10% off. Okay, with two minimum item spent. Okay, so you can actually input more information so that customers are clear on the promotions. Okay, nothing wrong to actually put in more information as well. And before you save, you can preview it. You can have a sneak peek on how it looks like. Okay, so here, and then you will see redeem this code to get 10% off with 2 item spent. All right, so once all good to go, you can click save, and our system will actually send the email to them. So customers will receive it via email, okay, and they can use their code for the next purchase.